This animal, scientists call it alien. This is Fred the jar opener witnessed the mind of an octopus, a master problem solver capable of feats that defy our expectations. Watch as it unravels this puzzle, a simple jar with astonishing precision. But its intelligence is only the beginning. The octopus is a chameleon of the sea, a master of disguise. It can mimic the flatfish, adapting its shape and color to disappear into the sand. Or even the venomous lionfish, a dangerous illusion to ward off predators. And the spy octopus, with its deceptive gait and hidden limbs, is a master of subterfuge. Fred can also change skin texture. Its skin is a canvas of change, shifting textures and colors in an instant. This remarkable ability allows it to disappear into any environment. And its boneless body? It can squeeze through gaps as small as its beak, making any escape possible.